Hey, so you want to make money online and you want to build your network marketing or affiliate marketing business and you want to know how to do it in the right way. You want to take your business from offline to online and actually get results, and you're having trouble finding people. And maybe you might think that it might be better if you take your business online. And I'm here to tell you that that is absolutely right. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I was $87,000 in debt a couple years back. I didn't know how I would get out of it. I was stressed, I was depressed, and I was just looking for a way out. And I found online business, and a couple mentors showed me a concept that actually changed the way that I did business because I was struggling before. I was trying to actually find people who didn't have an interest, and I was told to talk to everybody, and that just totally failed and totally didn't do any good because I wasn't finding targeted people. I didn't have my audience together or anything like that. But I learned I had to take my business online, and I learned about tools that you could use to actually retain your leads and use the internet to actually build a list, which is what I learned. And this platform actually has a list building software. You could actually create a sales funnel, which is kind of how this whole site was created. If you're watching the site, it's very well put together. It was created from a funnel building system, and that's this funnel building system, and I'm going to tell you about it right now. So is what they teach you is they teach you how to actually get in and tap into the group so you could have support. Then they teach you the 3 simple steps to build any business online, and then is what you do is you set up your funnel. So you're going to actually go into setting up your domain and then setting up your autoresponder, because you need a way to communicate with the people that put their email in to your page, right? And you do that with an autoresponder, right? So when you do that, you're able to actually build a list and build an audience. So your audience is going to be your audience no matter if paid traffic goes down or not. You're still going to have your audience. You're still going to have your list, which is very important. And then is what you're going to learn is you're going to learn about how to create your pages, how to optimize your pages for mobile, how to create custom pixels so you could track your data. You know exactly where your data is coming from. You're going to know how to do an exit pop. An exit pop actually shows you when somebody tries to leave, they'll get a message saying, no, wait, we have something else for you. And it keeps them within your funnel, right? So it's very important to know how to do that. It's very important to know how to share your funnels with team members or share with anybody that you're working with, whether it's network marketing or affiliate marketing. And so you're also going to want to know how to track your leads in the builder, and then you're also going to know how to sell your own products, which is very important. Like as a marketer, you want to be able to sell your own products, and then you're going to have your own products in a membership site, which is very cool because you're going to have your own site and people are going to be able to get into there and access your content, which is cool. You're going to learn how to do it and do a site just like this. And then you're going to learn upsells and downsells in the funnel. An upsell is when somebody buys something from you and you offer something else of value. A downsell is when they don't buy and you give them something else at a lower cost, but they still may buy, right? And then you're going to learn how to host your video, and you're going to learn about graphics, and you're going to learn about split testing your pages to see which pages convert when you're getting traffic, and you're going to learn about email tips, and then you're going to learn how to actually hold on, let me go back there. Okay, and then you're going to learn how to actually build out your own site, right? So if that's something that you're looking to do as a professional marketer, you're going to learn all this from just this funnel builder tool alone. And then you could also get coaching on the funnel builder as well. Just this tool alone is $25 a month, which is very, very cheap. If you look at things like ClickFunnels, for a package, it's either $100 or $297 a month. And this is only $25 a month, and you get $20 commission, which is unheard of from this. But I wanted to learn more about traffic and conversions, and so that's why I upgraded, and that allowed me to earn an extra $100 a month from the traffic portion. Is what you learn from here is you learn how to get your mindset together, and actually how to store your passwords so you don't get scatterbrained. You know where everything's at. The big picture of marketing, how to find your target audience, like who's your target market, like who's your people that you're selling to. And then you're going to learn how to create a lead magnet, which is a giveaway in exchange for email. So it might be an ebook, it might be a PDF, it might be a course. Whatever your lead magnet is, you're going to learn how to create one of those, right? And then if you want to learn about free methods of traffic, the free methods of traffic are launching your online business, the three steps to inviting people, which are very important, and then you're going to want to know about follow-up, and then ways to get free leads on Facebook, how to blog, how to rank your videos on YouTube, which is very cool. Podcasting, if you want to do like a radio show, you could do that. If you want to know how to use LinkedIn, for free. And recruit, you're going to learn that. And also, Facebook methods. So you're going to learn how to do Facebook ads. You're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives the right way. And then you're going to learn how to launch your product or service or whatever you have in a launch, in a launch formula. Which a launch is when you have people on a presentation and then they buy at the end, right? So if you get a bunch of people on a presentation and you sell a product or something, then it only takes an hour and a half to do a presentation, and you just made a lot of good, money from that hour and a half, right? That's how it works. And so then you're going to learn about conversions. And so there's a 13-point conversion formula, and then how to close leads inside of Conversion Secrets, and getting members on board with onboarding. So that's one thing that people lack, is knowing what to do when somebody signs up. So you're going to learn that. And then for the coaching portion of this is what we have here is we have a daily, mastermind call, which is in the day, and it actually is on mindset. And then there's a daily grow, that's the daily Grow Rich call. And then there's a Monday night mastermind, which is kind of like a marketing mastermind of what's working, and it's kind of like a Q&A. Everybody gets on Zoom and they can ask questions. And then there's a take action mastermind, to where the owners of the company, actually show you over the shoulder what they're doing in their marketing business. And it's really, really amazing, because nobody that I know, does that. They don't go hands-on and show you what they're doing in their business. And so we also have a Telegram group that if you have any questions, you could actually, put your questions in the group and get them answered immediately. There's also, extra bonuses here and done for you funnels, so you could tap right into them, right? So that gives you an extra $100 a month. And then when you start making money, you're going to want to know how to do your taxes, how to do your business the right way. So there's debt elimination right here. And then you're going to want to know how to file your taxes, so that way you're paying the least in taxes and not, giving all your money away. So this actually tells you how to structure your business, how to keep your books right, how to plan, as a business owner. And then right here is marketing strategies for investments to be able to actually make money. So, as you're making money, you want to invest your money into assets so that way it grows, right? So you're going to learn about, property and things like that, and having assets to actually invest your money into when you start making money. So this course gives you a $400 commission. It's a one-time buy, and you're able to get a $400 commission from it. It's really amazing, and it teaches you a lot of stuff. So this is all about business. So if you're trying to build and grow your business, you need these tools to build and grow your business. And if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you get at least 1,000 leads, 1,000 people to see your offers every single month. And there is a license for that. I'm going to buy the license for you. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to get leads to your offers. I'm going to show you how to get people there to see. I'm going to show you how to build your list on a daily basis. So, you know, you're going to get results and you're going to be able to be on the leaderboards as well. All right. So if you got value from this video, make sure you click on that link below. Also, you know, you can get into the Facebook group. There's a link in the description as well. So, you know, make sure you check out those links, and I'll talk to you soon.